Should you really spend hours solving LeetCode problems, or is it just something everyone talks about but secretly dreads? In this video, I'm not just going to help you answer that question. I'm also sharing some secret formulas to make LeetCode your ultimate programming companion. These tips aren't just about solving problems, they're about transforming the way you learn and approach coding. Let's be real. LeetCode can feel intimidating at first. For some, it's the go-to tool for acing technical interviews. For others, it's a source of frustration, like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But here's the thing. LeetCode is so much more than a tool for interviews. When used correctly and with the right mindset, it can be a game changer for improving your coding skills, building confidence, and mastering key programming concepts. And now, let's dive into those secret formulas for making LeetCode work for you. Don't dive straight into hard problems and expect miracles. Start with easy problems to build your confidence and establish a problem-solving rhythm. Then, gradually tackle medium problems, focusing on a mix of topics like arrays, recursion, and dynamic programming. This step-by-step approach is key to sustainable learning. It's not about solving 100 problems as fast as possible. Instead, focus on deeply understanding a smaller number of problems. Break each solution down. Why does it work? What makes it efficient? Could you optimize it further? Mastery comes from depth, not speed. LeetCode problems often fall into patterns, common techniques like sliding windows, divide and conquer, or backtracking. Once you recognize these patterns, solving similar problems becomes second nature. Don't be afraid of getting stuck. Use those moments to sharpen your debugging skills. Look at edge cases, run your code step by step, and try different approaches. Every time you debug, you're not just fixing code, you're training your brain to think critically. LeetCode's discussion boards are a goldmine of knowledge. If you're stuck, check out how others solve the problem, but don't just copy their solutions. Analyze them, compare them to your approach, and think about what you can learn. If LeetCode still feels overwhelming, know that there are alternatives like HackerRank, Codeforces, or Codewars. Each offers a unique perspective and can complement your learning journey. Ultimately, LeetCode is a tool, and like any tool, its value depends on how you use it. With these secret formulas, you can turn it into a powerful ally for learning programming, preparing for interviews, and growing as a developer. So the question isn't just, should you solve LeetCode, but rather, how can you make it work for you? Remember, it's not about the number of problems you solve. It's about embracing the process, building patterns, and celebrating every step forward. Now go apply those formulas and happy coding. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone navigating the LeetCode journey.